Today we're gonna be opening this box with Ryan.
Can I take it out?
Wow.
That's a huge mother.
Patient presents with continuous blower motor operation with no flame operation. Symptoms include a 3-1 LED code. After looking this up on the inside panel, I've deduced that it is a limit switch. I will perform some exploratory surgery now, and hopefully we can rescue this one. Might be a goner. Three plus one primary / secondary limit switch open. I'm going to check continuity across all of the limit switches. If one of the limit switches is open, it opens the circuit and it creates a fault situation and won't allow it to fire. So we'll try to get this one cured. Well, now I'm really stumped. I'm going to do a little homework. Okay. Here we have the control board. It's a stooge board. 2-stage ignition control board for a Lennox furnace. I believe this is the issue, because it was throwing a error code that the limit switches were open, but I've checked the limit. I've checked all the limit circuitry, and everything seems to be okay on that. I'm getting continuity everywhere and voltage everywhere I should, so it should be passing the fail-safe test. Next step is going to be to replace this board and see if that does it. I think what I'll do is pop this off, put the new one on, and then swap the wires one at a time. Thermostats all we got left. I'll take them out one at a time. Put them in there. Okay, that's everything. I'm gonna put on my handy safety bypass. That'll show that the door is on and allow us to power this up. And I'm going to power up now and see what happens. Okay, status is blinking once every 4 seconds. That indicates it's on standby, it's ready. It should go to a pulse once it starts receiving signal from the thermostat. Okay, we're calling for heat. The ignition probe is heated up. I see flame. this done. Thanks for tuning in. This was a real head scratcher because it was showing an error code, and that's a very common error to have an open limit switch. So I wasn't convinced that it was a control board because it's such a common error. So I was reluctant to take that step. But after all of the diagnostic work I had done and tracing the circuit and kind of feeling my way around just to see what was going on, and plus the shape of the board, I mean, it's a pretty cruddy board. So that led me to try the circuit board, and it seems to have fixed it. We're just going to keep an eye on this and keep it running, keep it warm. We're getting down to like -3 overnight tonight, or overnight tomorrow. At some point, it's going to be cold. So, thank you guys for tuning in. Feel free to subscribe, hit that like button, the notification bell, all that fun stuff. Leave a comment. I love the comments. So, I'll see you in the next one.